This week's top stories. HSBC cleaner receives thanks from British Cleaning Council. A resignation note from a HSBC cleaner has led to several messages of support on social media for the nation's cleaning staff, including a personal thanks from the British Cleaning Council. Julie Cousins, who had reportedly worked as a cleaner for HSBC for 35 years, described allegedly aggressive and cruel behaviour from management. CGI images show London's future skyline. The City of London Corporation has released CGI images visualising how the square mile skyline will look by the mid-2020s. The new images capture all major developments which have been resolved to approve by the City Corporation's Planning and Transportation Committee over the past 12 months. Incoming HSBC president says industry must prioritise diversity. The incoming president of the Chartered Institution of Building Services Engineers spoke at length about the importance of diversity and inclusion in his presidential address. Kevin Kelly, who is also an emeritus professor at the Technological University of Dublin, said that a more diverse profession is essential to help us build resilience against future crises and better respond to the pandemic and climate change.
For all the latest facilities and workplace management news, read more at TWinFM.com.